Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is Rahu Ketu transit May 2025. Rahu Ketu is about to change their signs around 19th May 2025. So in today's video, we will discuss about the predictions and forecast for the Rahu Ketu result for the next 18 months till Rahu Ketu will be in the next sign. Like Ketu is about to move from the sign of Virgo to the sign of Leo, and Rahu is about to move from the sign of Pisces to the sign of Aquarius. Let's not forget that Rahu Ketu stays in one sign for 18 months. So Rahu Ketu are after 18 months is about to move from the sign of Pisces and Virgo. And for the next 18 months, Rahu Ketu will be staying through there, be stay in the sign of Leo, and Rahu will be stay in the sign of Aquarius. Uh, one thing is also very important to discuss is that Aquarius sign considered as the co-ruler of Rahu along with Saturn in some text, and some astrologers also believe that the Aquarius sign also controls by Rahu. Means Rahu is also co-ruler of the Aquarius sign along with Saturn. And for the Ketu, it's Scorpio sign along with Mars. So these signs are the co-rulers of Rahu Ketu. But Rahu Ketu actually is the nodes of Moon. Rahu considered as the north node of the Moon and Ketu considered as the south node of the Moon. These are not a visible planet. They can't be seen in the sky. If you try to see them, they are invisible planet because they are the nodes of Moon, but their effect in the birth chart and human life is very huge amongst all the planets, because Rahu Ketu give results on your mind level, and disturbance of mind cannot be controlled easily. So Rahu Ketu give result onto your mind level because these are the nodes of your moon, and moon is your mind. Moon is connected to your mind. So, in today's video, we will try to discuss the result and prediction of Rahu being in the sign of Aquarius for all the ascendant and Ketu being in the sign of Leo for all the ascendant for next 18 months. And today I want to tell you about Rahu Ketu a secret. If you want to assess the result of Rahu Ketu into your birth chart, like placement of Rahu Ketu into your birth chart, not into your transit chart, I am talking about your birth chart. Look where Rahu is placed, look where Ketu is placed, and then look the Lord of these signs where Rahu Ketu are placed, where the Lord of these signs are placed. If the Lord of these signs are in the benefic signs or a good houses or in a positive condition, like they are in exalted in own sign or in friendly sign, then we can expect you will have the moderate level of Rahu Ketu disturbance, because the dispositor, the lord of the house in which Rahu and Ketu is placed, is on the good sign and in good position. Secondly, if the lord of the Rahu Ketu placement are in difficult position, like in animical sign or in debilitation sign or receiving the aspect of malefic planet, then you can expect there will be a severe result of Rahu Ketu into your birth chart regarding the house in which Rahu Ketu is placed and the lord of these houses placed. So now come to the topic. One by one, we will discuss the result of Rahu Ketu transit for each ascendant. So first of all, we will talk about Aries Ascendant. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Rahu will be stay into your 11th house in the sign of Aquarius for next 18 months, and Ketu will be present into your 5th house for the next 18 months in the sign of Leo. So in my reading, I don't count the aspect of Ketu. I only count the aspect of Rahu. Today we will only discuss about the placement of Rahu Ketu. Means what will be the result of the house in which Rahu Ketu will be placed for the next 18 months. So Ketu will be placed into your 5th house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, related matter, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your learning abilities, your education is represented by your fifth house. Your fun activity somehow, like your whatever you do for fun is also represented by your fifth house. People you are fond of, people you like the most are seen from your fifth house. Your planning ability, how smart you are, how genius you are. Also, fifth house represent your good deeds. Because fifth, ninth, and first house considered as the most important house regarding your knowledge, regarding your wisdom, regarding your education related. So fifth house also carries the some part of your this triangle. Means it's represent the good result regarding your all the good deeds you have performed, you have done. Fifth house shows the good aspect of that house. If your fifth house in your birth chart is in good bad condition, then we can expect you may have some bad result regarding your fifth house related matter. So now let's come to the topic. Ketu being placed into your fifth house, we can expect you need to if you are married right now, like you have children, then you may face some disturbance regarding your children's related matter till next 18th month. Maybe you if you are planning to have a baby, like you need to postpone till 18 months because Ketu will be transiting from your fifth house. It's not like Ketu is a bad planet, but Ketu, the true nature of Ketu is not a materialistic planet. Ketu want to separate you from materialistic thoughts, materialistic things, and materialistic activities. So, being Ketu will be transiting from your fifth house, you need to postpone the date if you want to planning to have a baby during this time period. If you are not married, or you have any sincere love relationship into your life, then Ketu may create some disturbance. Now, it's important to look the placement of Ketu into your birth chart because the result of transit may differ according to the placement of Ketu into your birth chart for different people. Because if Ketu will be placed into favorable house, like in favorable sign, then you may get a low level of disturbance regarding Ketu, as we discussed in the introduction of this video. But Ketu is right now present into your fifth house. If you are having any sincere love relationship, you need to take care of that relationship a lot. There are chances, there will be there may be a lot of chances to get disturbance into your relationship related matter because Ketu is not a materialistic planet. Fifth house also deal with your mental abilities, your planning abilities. So so Ketu being present in your fifth house may give you some lacking into your mental abilities because Ketu is a planet of spirituality. Ketu represent thoughts. Ketu give you a lot of thoughts. So you may lack into your learning and mental abilities till Ketu will be starting from your fifth house. You need to pay a lot of attention if you're in education life, like don't try to involve into fun activities a lot, because if you try to involve into fun activities or materialistic things, to Ketu may give you disturbance regarding your fifth house related matter. But if you are somehow connected to spirituality, like your work is somehow connected to spirituality and you're older in age, then you will have tremendous amount of wisdom till Ketu will be transiting from your fifth house, because fifth house, as we discussed previously, connected to first, fifth, and ninth, this triangle. So this triangle is connected to your wisdom knowledge, and Ketu give you a lot of wisdom because Ketu is uncertainty. Ketu is unexpectedness. So Rahu Ketu give you sudden result and abundance of result regarding the house in which they are placed. So if you're somehow know about spirituality or interested in spirituality related matter or some higher education, some higher purposes, then we can expect you will have great result. Rahu will be transiting from your 11th house, and Rahu being placed in its favorable sign in the sign of Aquarius. 11th house is the house of gains, house of friend circle, house of professional circle. Your incoming gains, how much gain you can accumulate in this life, are seen from your 11th house. Your elder brother and sisters are seen from 11th house. Your support system, your PR, your hopes and wishes, and fulfillment hopes and wishes, also seen from 11th house. 11th house is also seen in perspective of society, like how society views you are somehow represented by your 11th house. How your community people sees you are represented by 11th house, because society is represented by 11th house somehow. So society people also represented by 11th house. Rahu is a planet of unexpectedness, as you know. Rahu give you sudden unexpected result. If Jupiter give you expansion in result, so Rahu give you sudden result. Like Rahu give you sudden abundance, may give you sudden abundance of friend circle, professional circle. Like if you are in younger in age, around 25 to 30, you will get a lot of friend circle. Like you are working, your friend professional your professional network circle will also be increased. You may get sudden new job, or you may get sudden friend circle during this time period till the next 18 months due to presence of Rahu into your 11th house. There are high possibility of this things. Your social circle will also be increased, and you will have good reputation into your society regarding your work, regarding your image related matter, because your actual image is represented by your 10th house, and the second house is the gain of your 10th house. Every house from the second house is considered as the gain of 10th house. So 11th house also represents your image, so your image will be very flourish. You will consider as a very intelligent, very clever, and very successful person into your society, into your communication, the people you know, people who know you, so they will recognize you as a successful, as a clever, as an intelligent person, because Rahu will create a situation into your 11th house like that. You will have a lot of support, you will have a lot of sources to done anything. Like your if your work is somehow like you're a politician, so you will have a lot of sources. Like you are a office worker, so you will have a lot of opportunities, a lot of contacts. So you will done work very easily and very fast and very intelligently, because Rahu will give you that cleverness to get success into your 11th house. 11th house also deal with your elder brother and sister. Your elder brother sister may get disturbing result, because Rahu is actual naturally malefic planet. So it could be a problem for your elder brother and sister if you have any elder brother sister into your 11th house. But for you people, we can expect good result. If your work is somehow connected to public dealing or image or fame, then there will be an increase into your fame related matter into next 18 months. If you are a normal person, like you are not a famous person, or you are doing a normal job, any kind of job, then there will also a chances you will have that image into your circle, into your society, and you will get the increment into your whatever you are gaining right now, whatever you're earning right now. Also you will have increase into your social circle. Your social circle will increase, and you will have good sources during till Rahu is transiting from your 11th house till next 18 months. So we can expect these results for all the Aries ascendant people. Now let's talk about Taurus ascendant. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Ketu is about to move from your fifth house to your fourth house in the sign of Leo, and Rahu is about to move from your 11th house to your 10th house in the sign of Aquarius. So for the next 18 months, these two planets will be stay into your fourth house and 10th house. So there will be a fourth and 10th axis. So first of all, we will talk about Ketu. And one thing is very important to discuss here is that we are not talking about the aspect of Rahu Ketu. We are only predicting about the house placement of Rahu Ketu in this video. So, Ketu will move from your fifth house to your fourth house for the next 18th month. Fourth house deals with your home, your property, your vehicles, your comfort, how much comfort you will have in your life, how much properties you will have in your life, how peaceful you will spend your life into your home is seen from your fourth house. Your ability to accumulate fixed asset also represented by fourth house. Your properties, vehicles, comfort, your homies, people you are living with in your home are represented by fourth house. Your mother's relationship also represented by fourth house. Ketu is the planet of spirituality. Ketu is represent separation, detachment. Ketu it not a planet of materialistic thing. Ketu represent spirituality, as we discussed previously. Ketu, that's why Ketu is considered as a naturally malefic planet in today's world, because Ketu detach you from your materialistic things. So into your fourth house, you may face some difficult result regarding your fourth house living significance related matter, and also you may have to travel a lot. You may have to leave your birthplace a lot during this time period till Ketu is present into your fourth house, because Ketu, as we discussed previously, represents separation, detachment, isolation, spirituality. All the non-materialistic things are represented by Ketu. So Ketu will be stay into your fourth house till next 18 months. You need to be very careful. If right now into your birth chart you are currently running through a good planet time period, like you are running through a 10 house lord, like you are running through a first house, your ascendant lord, into your into your time period, into your birth chart, then you will have a stable result. You will have the support of planet. If you are already running through a Ketu time period into your birth chart, then you will feel the effect of this Ketu most, because Ketu right now transiting from your fourth house in the sign of Leo. Leo is represent authority, so you will be impose your authority on your home people. If your birthplace planet into your fourth house, or lord of your fourth house will not support, you will have to face a lot of difficulty. So you need to be check on that matter. If you previously want to travel, like you by yourself want to leave your birthplace and move from different country, then you will definitely get a lot of possibility to move from your birthplace from different country. And you need to be take care of your mother's health, mother's relationship, your homies relationship, because there are chances you may be indulged into some separative relationship, some separative situation, because there is high chances there will be some separative situation you will have to face till Ketu is transiting from your fourth house. Rahu is right now transiting from your 10th house and will stay into your 10th house till the next 18th month. Rahu is represent invention. Rahu is the technology. Rahu is future. Rahu represent cleverness. Rahu represent perfection in everything. So into your 10th house. And one thing also very important to mention is that Rahu is the co-ruler of sign of Aquarius along with Saturn. Some astrologer believe that, and some doesn't believe that. But in my opinion, I see Rahu is also co-ruler of the sign of Aquarius. So your 10th house, so your 10th house is right now in a strong position. Whatever you are working, whatever your job is, whatever level you are at, you will have tremendous amount of success at your workplace. You will have a lot of promotion. Your superior will support you, and you will do your work like this, because Rahu give you quick intelligence. Rahu into your 10th house will give you authority over all the people, because Rahu is explosion. Rahu Sun may give you authority into 10th house. Jupiter may give you good result into 10th house, but when Rahu will transiting from your 10th house or placed into your birth chart into your 10th house, then you will have a lot of authority. You have the instinct in you, you will have the cleverness in you, you will have the intelligence in you to tackle all the difficulties at your work with whatever you are doing. If you are a public figure, like you're an actor, you're a politician, you are some public figure, then there will be an increase into your fame, and your fame will increase till next 18 months. Also, if you are a business person, like you are not a job person, you are doing some business, then you will definitely get good deals. Successful people will try to meet you. You will meet a lot of successful people at your workplace during this time period, and you will be performing very well at your workplace, and you will have a lot of opportunity to gain wealth during this time period till next 18th month, till Rahu will be present into your 10th house. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus ascendant people. Now let's talk about Gemini Ascendant. For all the Gemini Ascendant people, Ketu is about to move from your fourth house to your third house in the sign of Leo till next 18th month, and Rahu is about to move from your 10th house to your ninth house till the next 18th month in the sign of Aquarius, and Ketu will move in the sign of Leo. So first of all, we will talk about Ketu. Ketu being into your third house in the sign of Leo. And one thing is also very important to know is that we are only predicting about the house prediction, not the aspects of Rahu. We are only predicting about the placement or house placement of Rahu Ketu. So Rahu Ketu into your third house. What third house represent? Third house represent your communication ability, your ideas, your thought process, your cousins, neighbors, your ability to communication, the way you communicate with others are seen from your third house. Your hands skills, your ideas, your courage, your courage also represented by your passionate, your hardworking ability also represented by third house. So these are the major things which we can see from your third house. And Ketu represent separation. Ketu represent detachment. Ketu represent isolation. Ketu represent non-materialistic thing of all, all the non-materialistic thing are represented by Ketu. So Ketu will be travel into your third house till next 18th month. So you may face some difficulty into your communication related matter. Means you will have a lot of differences with your younger brother sister. If you have any younger brothers sisters, cousins, neighbors, you have a lot of communication right now. Then we can expect till next 18 months you will face a lot of difficulty, a lot of confrontation, a lot of problem with the your third house living significance due to presence of Ketu. Ketu will not give you disturbing result with others, but your communication ability will give you, because Ketu will transiting from your third house. Your communication ability will be disturbed. There are chances you may face some argumentative communication. So it's better to avoid a lot of communication till Ketu is transiting from your third house, especially with your living significance of third house, like your younger brothers, sisters, cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, etc., etc. Your courage may get disturbed during this time period. Either you will be extra courageous or you will behave a very less courageous. It all depends upon the placement of Ketu into your birth chart. Like if you have good placement of Ketu into your birth chart, then we can expect you will perform very high courageously till Ketu will be transiting from your third house, because not to forget, Ketu will be targeting in the sign of Leo into your third house, and Leo is the sign of authority. And if the placement of Ketu will be bad into your birth chart, then you will be very less courageous during this time period till the next 18 months till Ketu will be targeting from your third house. So till next 18 months, you need to avoid a lot of communication. Try not to be extra communicative during this time period, because you may face disturbing result, you may face argumentation and confrontation. If your work is somehow connected to hard working, like you are not a office worker, your work is like hard working, you are a home construction, you are a home constructor or etc etc, like hard work, your work involve hard working, your work needs hard working, so may get some disturbance regarding your hard working ability. You may not get the result of your hard work, so be on check that matter, and whatever you are working right now, you need to be very careful when you're communicating with them, and you need to avoid extra courageous activities whatever you are doing in it, because Ketu may give you sudden unexpected result into your third house, because Ketu is also the planet of uncertainty. Your ideas, your thought process may disturb till the next 18 months due to presence of Ketu into your third house. Now let's talk about Rahu. Rahu into your ninth house and in the sign of Aquarius. And Aquarius also considered as the co-ruler of Rahu along with Saturn. So your ninth house being in a strong position. Ninth house will be your travel, your long distance travel, your education, your higher education, your post-grad education are seen from ninth house. Your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, your teachings of your father, what you have learned, your DNA is what type of DNA is you have is represented by ninth house. Your wisdom, your knowledge, your religious matter, religious inclination, visiting a religious places or spiritual places are represented by ninth house. Following the rules and regulations, your second marriage, etc., etc. Rahu is the planet of technology. Rahu is the planet of future. Rahu is the planet of travel. Rahu represents sudden outburst of result regarding the house in which Rahu will be transiting. So Rahu into your ninth house will give you tremendous amount of knowledge if you are in education life. Like if you are doing some post-grad education, you will perform very intelligently and you will learn things quickly due to the fact that Rahu being starting from your ninth house. And ninth house is the higher self of education into your birth chart. First, fifth, and ninth house. So from your ninth house, we see your higher education, your post-grad education. So if you are doing some post-grad education or you are at any level you are in education life, you will perform very well and things will you will get things very easily. You will learn things very easily. If you are about to travel somewhere, yeah, like you are looking for travel and your work is somehow connected to travel, you will have a lot of travel opportunity till next 18 months till Rahu will transiting from your ninth house. Ninth house also deal with your teachers, mentor, guide, or advisor. So there are chances you may get disturbing result because Rahu is naturally a natural malefic planet. So you may get disturbing result with the living significance of your ninth house, but beside this, you will have tremendous amount of knowledge. If you are a religious person, then you may get some difference of opinion and you may go into wrong direction, so you need to avoid religious activities if during this time period till the next 18 months, because Rahu may create disturbing situation with your religious views and your religious beliefs. Because Rahu create a such situation, you may have to indulge into this thing, so try to check on these things. So we can expect these result for all the Gemini ascendant people. Now let's talk about Cancer Ascendant. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Ketu is about to move from your third house to your second house in the sign of Leo for the next 18 months. And Rahu is about to move from your ninth house to your eighth house in the sign of Aquarius for next 18 months. So first of all, we will talk about Ketu. And in this prediction video, we are not talking about the aspect of Rahu Ketu. We are only predicting about the house placement of Rahu Ketu. So second house deal with your earnings, your savings, your bank account is seen from second house, conditions of your wealth, how your wealth will be into your life are seen from second house, your savings ability, and savings in any form is seen from your second house, your family related matter, your speech, your food intake habits, your early upbringing, your mouth region, your speech is represented by second house. So these are the major things which we can see from your second house on a daily basis. So Ketu is the planet of separation, detachment, spirituality, non-worldly things. Like Ketu is a non-materialistic planet. So all the non-materialistic things are represented by Ketu. And second, and being into your second house, you not try to run a lot towards the money till Ketu is transiting from your second house. Especially not try to save a lot of money, because second house is the house of saving, where you save your money, where you save your assets. So Ketu being transiting for the next 18 months into your second house, you do not need to focus a lot towards money and saving the money during this time period. I know money is everyone's need, but try not to run a lot during this time period. You may get losses if you run a lot, because Ketu gives result like that into your second house. And second house also deal with your family related matters. So there are chances your one of your family member may separate you. Like there are high possibility one of your family member may go abroad during this time period, because Rahu is also transiting from your eighth house of uncertainty, a house of uncertainty. We will come to Rahu, but there are high chances your one of your family member may get married, or they have to move a separate place, or they have to go to some foreign places. Thirdly, you need to check on your speech related matter. There are chances your speech may get disturbed. But if the placement of Ketu into your birth chart is well placed, Ketu is well placed into your birth chart, then you will have a stable result. But if the placement of Ketu into your birth chart is not favorable, then you will have to face a lot of difficulty regarding your communication related matter as well. So try to check on these matter till the next 18 months, and especially try not to save a lot of money. Just you try to spend this time till Ketu is transiting from your second house. After that, you will have a lot of opportunity to save good money. Rahu will transiting from your eighth house till the next 18th month, and the sign of Aquarius. And one thing is important to know is that Rahu is the co-ruler of Aquarius sign along with Saturn. So your eighth house is in a strong position, and Rahu is a naturally malefic planet, and eighth house is also considered as a naturally malefic house. So for all the Cancer ascendant people, you will have tremendous amount of good result regarding your eighth house related matter, because negative always cancels each other out, and malefic planet perform very well in in the naturally malefic house, because because the fact that negative always cancels each other out. So eighth house is the uncertainty, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life. So all of this thing will be protected till the next 18 months. Just if you are married right now, you have in-laws, then you will have to face difficulties and argumentation with your in-laws related matters, like living significance of your eighth house. Beside your living significance of eighth house, you will have tremendous amount of opportunity regarding eighth house related matter. Your sudden bad events will be protected. You may get time to time sudden good events regarding your wealth related matter, regarding all the matters of your life. If your work somehow connected to secret, like your work in a secretive agency, or your work is somehow connected to secret, you have to keep secrets thing, then you will have a lot of opportunity, you will success into your department during this time period. Eighth house is actually the house of secrets, so you will able to find secret during this time period till the next 18 month, till Rahu is transiting from your eighth house. If you are some spiritual person, like you are into some astrology, tarot, or related work, then you will be able to find a lot of secret regarding all of these stages till the next 18 months, if you are into these things right now. Just you need to take care of your in-laws related matter if you're married right now. So we can expect these results for all the Cancer ascendant people. Now let's talk about Leo ascendant. For all the Leo ascendant people, Ketu is about to move from your second house to your first house in the sign of Leo, and Rahu is about to move from your eighth house to your seventh house in the sign of Aquarius. Uh, One thing is very important to discuss is that we are only predicting about the house placement of Rahu Ketu. We are not counting the aspect of Rahu Ketu in this video. So Ketu will be stay into your first house till the next 18th month. So first of all, we will talk about Ketu. Ketu also rule the sign of Scorpio along with Mars. So, beside the fact that Ketu is the planet of separation, planet of detachment, planet of spirituality, planet of non-worldly things are represented by Ketu. So being transiting from your first house or in the sign of Leo. Leo is a sign of authority, sign of health, sign of wealth, sign of management, sign of managing the things. So Leo sign is a fire sign, and Ketu being present into your first house, you may face disturbing result regarding your mental capabilities, regarding your overall aspects of life. You may have to feel like you are stuck into something till Ketu will be transiting from your first house, because if you are currently running through a Ketu time period into your birth chart or any difficult planet into your birth chart, then you will face a lot of difficulties in getting things. You may daydream a lot till Ketu will transiting from your first house. You may have to face a lot of differentiation of point of view with the people you are living with right now. Like people may thought people may think of people may think of you like you are a different person for till next 18 months due to presence of Ketu into your first house. Now if the placement of your birth chart Ketu is in like well placed in a good sign in a good position, then you will have moderate type of difficulties which we have just talked. Now come to the Rahu, because these are the naturally malefic planets, obviously. So some problem will always associated with these planets. So which we have just talked about Ketu. You need to be very careful regarding all the matters we have just talked. Like don't try to lose your relationships, because Rahu is also on the opposite side of the Ketu into your seventh house, in the house of relationships, in the house of a spouse, in the house of partnership. Whatever you are doing, your commitments may get disturbed during this time period. So now come to the Rahu. Rahu being placed in the sign of Aquarius into your seventh house. Seventh house is your relationships, your commitments, your legal bindings, your agreemented things are seen from seventh house. Ability to commit, like how commit uh, how committed you are seen from your how committed you are in anything is represented by your seventh house. Your business partnership, your way, the way you meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others, also represented by seventh house. Your spouse is represented by seventh house. So Rahu is right now in its favorable position in the sign of Aquarius, because Aquarius sign Rahu co-ruled the Aquarius sign along with Saturn. So if you are married right now, you may get disturbing result regarding your marriage related matter if you are like you have single marriage, because there are chances you may indulge into extramarital affair during this time period. You will have uh, great opportunities till the next 18 months, but in the end you will face difficulties if you are indulged into these relationships, because as we said previously, Rahu Ketu is a naturally malefic planet. Somehow they will give you difficulty. In the beginning, you may indulge into these things, but in the end, you will have to face difficulty when Rahu Ketu will about to move from your seventh and first house. So it's best to avoid these types of activity if you are married, and best to acknowledge your partner if you want some other relationships. Secondly, if you're a public figure, like you are somehow connected to fame, you are a politician, you're an actor, you are a businessman, like you are a somehow your connection with fame, then we can definitely expect till the next 18th month your fame will increase. You will travel a lot if you're a travel person. You are about to move, or you are you are mostly work like traveling field, then you will have a lot of travel opportunity till next 18 months till Rahu is transiting from your seventh house, because somehow seventh house is also seen from your foreign travel related matter and travel related matter. If you are doing some business in partnership, then you will have a lot of opportunity, like you may get a lot of proposal from other partnership for business, and in the end you will get benefited because your seventh house is being in a strong position right now. So we can expect these results for all the Leo ascendant people from Rahu Ketu transit. Now let's talk about Virgo ascendant. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Ketu is about to move from your first house to your 12th house in the sign of Leo, and Rahu is about to move from your seventh house to your sixth house in the sign of Aquarius. Rahu Ketu will stay into this axis, 12th and 6th axis, till the next 18th month. First of all, we will talk about Ketu. Ketu represent spirituality. Ketu represent isolation. Ketu represent detachment. Ketu represent non-worldly thing. Material, all the non-materialistic things are represented by Ketu. Ketu also represent spirituality, higher thinking represented by Ketu, oneness represented by Ketu. 12th house representing the same things. Somehow 12th house is also representing the same thing, like spirituality, space, a higher thinking represented by 12th house, your long-term investment, your sleep pattern, your dreams, your isolation, hospitalization. Here one thing is important to know, that if you are a somehow a spiritual person, like you have any connection to spirituality, you understand spirituality, or you spend some time into these things, then you will have great result, because Ketu and 12th house, both the things represent spirituality. Secondly, you if you are a materialistic person, like your if your birth chart permits these things and you are a materialistic person, then you may face some losses till the next 18 months, because 12th house also considered as the house of loss, and Ketu being non-materialistic planet transiting from your 12th house, somehow Ketu will drag you into spirituality, drag you into thinking about reality, your existence, because 12th house represents such thing. Great writers are seen from 12th house, film writers, book writers, because 12th house is the house of higher thinking. So you, if you are somehow connected to these things, then you will have great results. If you are a materialistic person, then you need to control onto your expenses. Your expenses may increase, because Raketu will try to give you losses so that you come to the spirituality, or you come to the isolation, because these two things represent the same thing. It will be good for all the Virgo ascendant people if you have the opportunity to travel somewhere, because Ketu being placed into your 12th house, so visiting some spiritual places, some isolated places, some new places, foreign places, that will be benefited for all the Virgo ascendant people, regarding your mind level, regarding relaxation of your mind, regarding the wellness of your life. Rahu, on the other hand, will be present into your sixth house till the next 18th month, and will be in its good position, in its own ruling sound, because Aquarius is considered as the favorable sign for Rahu. What is sixth house? Sixth house is your enemies, your against people, your competitors are seen from sixth house. Your loans, your debt, your daily routine in context of work is also represented by sixth house. So your any type of competition you are dealing right now, if you are doing some competitive exam, if you are facing some court cases, if you are into some litigation, people are trying to drag you down, or your people who provide you services also represented by sixth house. Your health, especially your acute issues, are represented by sixth house. Rahu is a naturally malefic planet, and malefic planet perform very well in the malefic houses, because 6th, 8th, and 12th house is a naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow, problem, difficulty, issues are always associated with these houses. So we categorize these three houses like a naturally malefic. Somehow, the problem will always associate with these. So Rahu will perform very well into your favor, into your malefic house. Your enemies will get defeated due to presence of Rahu into your sixth house till the next 18th month. You will have the cleverness to deal all the difficulties into your life due to the this transit of Rahu into your sixth house till the next 18th month. If you are in debt right now, you will be able to pay your loans back, because as we said earlier, Ketu on the other hand will be into your 12th house will increase your expenses, so you will expand to pay, you will pay your money to pay your loans back, and you will be able to do that. If you are facing some court case, litigation, argument, then slowly things will turn into your favor, because Rahu performed very well into your sixth house. You will have the ability to face difficulty. But if you are like previously is have some illness, like you're facing some disease, so you need to check on that disease in the beginning of this transit, because this may give you some type of problem till the middle of this transit, because Rahu into sixth house also deal with your health issues. So if you're facing some acute health issues, like recently facing diseases, you need to be you need to be very curious about that, and you need to be treat that till before in the beginning of this transit, so that you cannot have problem when the transit will be in the middle of it. So we can expect these results for all the Virgo ascendant people. Now let's talk about Libra ascendant. For all the Libra ascendant people, Ketu is about to move from your 12th house to your 11th house in the sign of Leo for the next 18th month, and Rahu is about to move from your 6th house to your 5th house in the sign of Aquarius for next 18th month. First of all, we will talk about Ketu. Ketu in the sign of Leo. What is Ketu? Ketu is your isolation. Ketu represents separation. Ketu represents detachment. Ketu is the planet of truth. Ketu is the planet of spirituality. Ketu represent oneness. Ketu represent non-materialistic thing. All the non-materialistic will represented by Ketu. So, in the sign of Leo, what is Leo? Leo is the fire sign. Leo represent authority. Leo represent management. Leo sign represent governance. So, what is 11th house? 11th house, your gains. What you are gaining in this life. Like your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of your hopes and wishes. Your elder brothers, sisters, your support system is represented by your 11th house. So, Ketu being your friend circle also represented by 11th house, your social circle. So Ketu into your 11th house till the next 80 till the next 18th month, you will face a lot of difficulty with your friend circle, professional circle. You may have lacking into your gains. Your hopes and wishes may get disturbed into full regarding fulfillment of your hopes and wishes, because Ketu will drag you into Ketu will try to drag you into spirituality. So Ketu will give you some type of situation into your life. You may have to face a lot of argument with your friend circle. You will have to move into isolation. Your a lot of friends will you will lose a lot. You may lose a lot of friends till the next 18th month till Ketu will transiting from your 11th house. You need to be very careful regarding your gains related matter, because you may get lacking, as we discussed earlier, because K2 will transiting from your 11th house of gains. So you need to rely on your saving a lot of time till the next 18th month. So try to check on these things and be prepared for that time period. You by yourself need to stay away from your friend circle as much as you can. Stay away from your social circle as you can, so Ketu's energy will be satisfied in your 11th house till Ketu will transiting from your 11th house. Otherwise you will have to face difficulties with your friend circle, professional circle. If you have elder brothers and sisters into your life, you need to guide them. They may face difficulties into your life, because as we discussed previously, Ketu is a non-materialistic planet, and in today's world you have to be materialistic to live, because you have a lot of expenses. So Ketu may give them disturbing result. On the other hand, Rahu being transiting from your fifth house till the next 18 months in the sign of Aquarius, and Aquarius sign considered as the favorable sign for Rahu. So what is fifth house? Fifth house is your children's. Your brains is represented by fifth house. Your intelligence, your learning ability, how smart you are, how genius you are. Your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance. Who, people who are fond, people who you are fond of are seen from your fifth house. throne in life, like higher post, higher position in life, also represented by fifth house. Fifth house is the higher self of representation of these things. Like if you are a politician, you are a actor, you are some public figure, then this thing will represented by your fifth house in the deep analysis. Fifth house also also represent your early education till college life education. So Rahu is the planet of intelligence. Rahu is the planet of cleverness. Rahu is the planet of smartness. Rahu represents future. Rahu is like so. Rahu is like exploding your mental abilities, and you will have a lot of fifth house related matter you will have to face till the next 18 month, because fifth house, like if you are education life, you will perform very well into your education related matter. Your learning ability and your planning ability and your grasping ability will be very high. You will learn a lot of things at a word time. You can, if you want to, because Rahu will give you ability, but it is depends on you if you put that energy into different thing. Because from fifth house we also see your fun activity. It is good for them, like who are actor, politician, want to go into sports. uh, but if you are in like if you are but if you want to stay into education life, then you need to focus on your education related matter, because you will have great opportunity to excel into your education till the next 18 months. If you are married, you have children, they may face some disturbance as well. They may be they they may give you hard time till the next 18 months, because Rahu will be starting from your fifth house. So some minor difficulty you may have to face regarding your children's related matter if you have children right now, but not a major one, because you also see the position of your fifth house into your fifth house to predict that. But still you will face some difficulties regarding their education related matter, regarding their performance into their education. If you are not married right now, you have any sincere love relationship, then your relationship may get disturbed during this time period, because Rahu energy perform that way into these type of things. Because as we discussed earlier, Ketu on the opposite hand will be into your 11th house, in the house of your social circle, in the house of your get together. So fifth house, your girlfriend boyfriend relationship may get disturbed. If you have any sincere love relationship, you need to be very careful, and you need to assess all the things, not get emotional time to time, because Rahu will give create a situation, will give you situation into your life, so that you will get emotional. So you need to avoid that thing. Avoid if you want to stay into a your love relationship, you need to avoid argumentation. Otherwise you will have to face separation or breakup. Because on the other hand, Ketu is transiting from your 11th house. So we can expect these results for all the Libra ascendant people from Rahu Ketu transit. Now let's talk about Scorpio ascendant people. Ketu is about to move from your 11th house to your 10th house in the sign of Leo, and Rahu is about to move from your 5th house to your 4th house in the sign of Aquarius. So, first of all, we will talk about Ketu. Ketu will stay into your 10th house till the next 18th month in the sign of Leo. So, what is Ketu? Ketu is the planet of spirituality, planet of separation, planet of isolation, planet of non materialistic things, planet of truth, planet of oneness. Ketu will may give you time to time detachment from your what you are doing right now, because is right now targeting from your 10th house. So what is 10th house? 10th house is your work, whatever you are doing right now, what is your job right now. If you are in either you are a authoritative post or you're a lower post, all of these things are represented by your 10th house. Your fame, your authority, your goodness into your work, how good into your work you are represented. How good you are into your work is represented by your 10th house. Your superior, your bosses, your fame is represented by 10th house. So Ketu in the sign of Leo into your 10th house will be present for the next 18 months. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, if you are doing some job, you may face difficulties from your superior and your co-worker time to time till the next 18th month. Try not to leave your job or resign your job, because till Ketu is transiting from your 10th house, you will face difficulty to get a new job. You will get disturbing result, but try to manage all the difficulty with peace and with patience. Try to manage all the difficulty with peace and patience, so you will get rewarded till when Ketu will move from your 10th house to your ninth house. But till Ketu is transiting from your 10th house, avoid conflict with your superior and co-worker. Try to accept patience and try to spend your time peacefully at your workplace, because if you resign your job or leave your job, then you will face difficulty in getting a new job till Ketu will transiting from your 10th house. If you are on a authoritative post, like you are on a higher post, like you're an actor, politician, or some authoritative post, some journal, etc., etc., then your authority will increase, because Ketu is a planet of oneness. Into your 10th house in the sign of Leo will give you immense authority on your subordinate, on your people and worker, people who are underworking you. Your fame will increase, but in a strict way. Like you will be seen like a strict person. You will be seen as a blunt person at time till the next 18th month. But if you are in on a authoritative post, like you are a prime minister of any country, like you are head of any army staff or police staff, etc., etc., of any country, so you need to check on that matters. Also, be careful if you are on lower level, working on lower level. There are chances your coworker may create some conspiracy, some problem at your workplace for you till the next 18 months. On the other hand, Rahu transiting from your fourth house in the sign of Aquarius till the next 18th month, and Aquarius sign considered as a favorable sign for Rahu, because Aquarius sign is the because Rahu is the co-ruler of Aquarius sign along with Saturn. So your fourth house will be in its good position, and fourth house represents your home, your property, your vehicles, your comfort, your mother's relationship, people who you are living with, your homies are seen from fourth house. Your how much properties, how good vehicles you will have, means how in total, like how much conveniences and how much comfort you will have into your life is represented by your fourth house. Your emotional state is represented by fourth house. So Rahu into your fourth house will time to time give you emotional disturbance regarding anything like your home related matter. Maybe you are living with your parents, or you are married right now, you have family, so you will have to face emotional turbulence time to time, because Rahu is a naturally malefic planet. Regarding this thing, all of this beside this thing, regarding all of these matter, you will face great result. Like if you are into property business, like you have some property and you are selling purchasing property, you will have a lot of gains, you will have a lot of good opportunity, you will have a lot of new deals and good deals. You will try to buy new property, you will try to renovate your home during this time period. You will also get the ability, because Rahu into your fourth house will expand your properties. Try to renovate your home, you will try to renovate your home. You may arrange a lot of get together till the next 18 months into your fourth house. You will have good relationship with your mother, and you will have a lot of travel opportunity till the next 18th month, till Rahu will be transiting from your fourth house, because fourth house is your homeland and Rahu is travel. Rahu represents foreign things, so you may get opportunity to travel somewhere. You, if your mother is older in age, like your mother figure or mother like figures, and you're with like your mother like figure or your mother within your home you're living with, if they are in older in age, they may face some disturbance that you need to check on their health till Ketu is Rahu is transiting from your fourth house. So we can expect these results for all the Scorpios and people from Rahu Ketu transit. Now let's talk about Sagittarius Ascendant. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Rahu is about to move from your fourth house to your third house in the sign of Aquarius, and Ketu is about to move from your 10th house to your ninth house in the sign of Leo. So, first of all, we will talk about Ketu. Ketu will stay into your ninth house till the next 18th month in the sign of Leo. Ketu represent spirituality. Ketu represent isolation. Ketu represent non-materialistic thing. Ketu represent oneness. Ketu represent uh, uh, all other non-materialistic things are represented by Ketu. And ninth house deals with your knowledge, your wisdom, your higher education, your post-grad education are represented by ninth house. Means your higher education is seen from your ninth house, because first, fifth, and ninth house, this triangle always represented your education and wisdom and knowledge related matter. Ninth house is represent your long distance travel. Travel related to anything, visiting some places, visiting religious places, visiting pilgrimages are represented by ninth house. Following the rules and regulations represented by ninth house, your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, on every level, like what level you are on right now, your superior, your guider, your advisor, your lawyers, all of these things are represented by your ninth house. So Ketu will be staying to your ninth house till the next 18th month. Your religious views, religious concepts also represented by ninth house, because rules and regulations are seen from ninth house. So religion, following the religion is the following the rules and regulation of that religion is represented by ninth house. So regarding all of that matter, Ketu will try to detach you from these things, because Ketu not represent religion, Ketu represent spirituality. So Ketu will try to drag you. If you are a religious person, then Ketu will try to drag you from your religious beliefs and directed you towards the truth, towards the oneness, which is your 12th house, isolation, spirituality, oneness. Ketu, if you are a non-religious person, if you are in education life, like you are in higher education, doing some post-grad education, or your work is somehow connected to teaching, then you may face some lacking into your education related matter, and you may get disturbing result from your teachers, mentor, guide, or advisor. Because as we discussed earlier, Ketu is not a materialistic planet. So Ketu will try to drag you into isolation. So Ketu may give you disturbance regarding all of that matter. You need to be check on that matter and be careful when you're dealing with the your superior mentor, guide, or advisor. You may get disturbing teachers during this time period due to presence of Ketu into your ninth house, which they may try to argue with. They may try to confront you a lot, because Ketu will create such energy. If you want to travel somewhere, like you will get a travel opportunity, because Ketu represent isolation, may try to try to take you into isolated places. So travel is also indicated till Ketu will be transiting from your ninth house. On the other hand, Rahu will travel into your third house in the sign of Aquarius. And one thing is very important to know is that Aquarius sign, Rahu is the co-ruler of Aquarius sign along with Saturn. So Rahu is in its favorable position in the favorable house, because third house is a favorable position for Rahu for the next 18 months for all the Sagittarius ascendant people. What is third house? Third house is your hands, your communication abilities, how your thinking pattern is, your ideas are represented by your third house. Your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, younger brothers and sisters are represented by your third house. Your courage and your efforts are also represented by third house. In every matter you put your efforts. So your efforts in general represented by your third house. How courageous you are, how hardworking you are is seen from your third house. Your hands skills represented by third house. But mainly your communication and communication skills are seen from third house. So Rahu into your third house will give you a lot of communication ability. If you are a salesperson, so till next 18 months you will be able to sell a lot of things to a lot of people. Mean in the end you will have a lot of good opportunities into your business related matter if your work is somehow connected to communication. Like you're a salesperson, you are a spokesperson of something, then you will have great ability. If you are a news reporter, like you report something, your work is somehow connected to communication in any form, emailing, messaging, broadcasting, then you will have favorable result till the next 18th month. You will have the courage to find a very impressive communicative ability, so people will get impressed by your communication and will accept it your proposal, whatever you are proposing to them, due to the presence of Rahu into the house of communication. Your living significance of third house may get disturbed. Like if you need to guide your younger brother and sister, if you have any younger brother and sisters into your life, you may get this. They may get disturbing result in their life, but your communication, your get together, and your social circle will definitely increase till the next 18 months due to presence of Rahu into your third house. You will meet a lot of new people, a lot of new circles during next 18 months till Rahu is transiting from your third house, because Rahu performed that way into your third house. You will have very courageous abilities, and you will work very hard work. You will do very hard work to achieve whatever you are trying to achieve till next 18 months, like you whatever you are working, and you will also able to do that work, because Rahu will give you ability to third house to get what you want during this time period. So we can expect these results for all the Sagittarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about Capricorn ascendant. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, Ketu is about to move from your ninth house to your eighth house in the sign of Leo for the next 18th month. And Rahu is about to move from your third house to your second house in the sign of Aquarius for the next 18 months. So first of all, we will talk about Ketu. What is Ketu? Ketu represents separation. Ketu represents detachment. Ketu represents isolation. Ketu is already achieved things. Like Mars, if Mars is like a charging army, Ketu is accomplished army. Means Ketu has already accomplished all the things. Ketu knows all the things. So in whatever house Ketu is transiting in the transit, you need to understand this. You will face a lot of research, a lot of things regarding that house significances, because Ketu is transiting from your eighth house, and eighth house generally represents research, and Ketu is the planet of research, because Ketu try to find out the truth. So into your eighth house, if you are somehow connected to research, like your work is connected to research in any subject, if you are trying to trying to find out facts regarding anything, you will be able to do a lot better into research studies till the next 18 months. If you are astrologer, like a tarot card or such thing, you are interested into such thing like deep studies, hidden studies, truth studies, then you will be able to find your fact, and things will come to you easily, and you will be guide people more profoundly till Ketu is starting from your eighth house, because eighth house is the house of secrets, house of truth, and Ketu is the planet of truth. So you will be able to find this thing. If you are a normal person, like you are not into astrology, or you are not into some secretive work or research work, then you may face disturbing results if you are married right now, because your in-laws are also represented by your eighth house. So your in-laws may try to impose you something, some responsibility. So because your eighth house is occupied by Leo sign, or Leo sign represent authority. So they may try to impose you some authorities. You will be get disturbed by these things. So you need to check on that matter till Ketu is starting from your eighth house. On the other hand, Rahu will transiting from your second house in the sign of Aquarius till the next 18th month. One thing is important to know about Aquarius sign is that Rahu is the co-ruler of Aquarius sign along with Saturn. So Rahu in its favorable position into its second house. So what is second house? Second house is your family matters. Your saving, your loved ones are seen from second house. Your speech, your food intake habits, your savings, your bank account, your pocket, your wallet, etc., etc. Your early upbringing also represented by your second house. So Rahu being transiting from your second house, you will able to save a lot of money. Rahu will give you a lot of opportunity to save a lot of money. Either you are doing a right way or wrong. Rahu will give you the ability to save a lot of money, whatever you are working right now, because Rahu into your second house, it's favorable sign, and give you a lot of opportunity. And Lord of your second house is also in its good position right now into its second place from itself. So you will be able to get great opportunity to save a lot of money. You just need to take care of your speech, because Rahu into second house, you will get disturbing speech. You may curse people a lot. You may say bad word about people a lot till Rahu is transiting from your second house, because second house is the house of speech, and Rahu is a naturally malefic planet. You may get argumentative communication time to time with your family, with your loved ones. So try to avoid your communication disturbance till the next 18 months, till Rahu is transiting from your second house. If you have good placement of Rahu into your birth chart, then this thing will be, on a moderate level. And if you have bad position into your bad position of Rahu into your birth chart, then you will face severe type of verbal disturbance into your loved ones and your family related matters. So try to check on these matters. So we can expect these results for all the Capricorn ascendant people. Now let's talk about Aquarius Ascendant. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Ketu is about to move from your 8th house to your 7th house in the sign of Leo, and Rahu is about to move from your second house to into your ascendant in the sign of Aquarius. First of all, we will talk about Ketu. Ketu for the next 18 months will stay into your 7th house in the sign of Leo. In the sign of Leo. So what is 7th house? 7th house is your marriage. Your spouse is represented by 7th house. Your relationships in general are seen from 7th house. Your fame related matter are represented by 7th house. How you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others are represented by your 7th house. Your partnership, either it is a business partnership or partnership in anything, is represented by your 7th house. Travel is somehow also represented by 7th house. Your fame is somehow also seen from your 7th house along with 10th house. So what is Ketu? Ketu is a separation, detachment, isolation. Non-materialistic things are represented by Ketu. Ketu try to isolate you. Ketu try to drag you towards truth. Ketu try to keep you away from materialistic world, so that you come to the truth, so you know the true purpose of your life. So into your 7th house, if you're married right now, you need to be very careful, because Ketu may give you a lot of difference with your spouse, so you may have disturbing result regarding your marriage related matter. If you have well placed 7th house into your birth chart, then things will may get stable, may go on an average level. But if you have disturbed 7th house, then you need to avoid conflict with your spouse and try to stay away as much as you can till Ketu is starting from your 7th house with your spouse, because being Ketu is transiting from your 7th house, there will be energy into your marriage related matter. You may get disturbed time to time. You may get the good reason to argue a lot. So that will not good for your relationship, because Ketu is transiting from your 7th house. So try to avoid that communication disturbance. If you are work in a partnership, like you have a business partnership, you invest a lot and you trust a lot on your partner, then try to check on things. Don't trust blindly during this time period till Ketu is starting from your 7th house. If you're unmarried right now, try to avoid with sincere try to avoid marriage till Ketu is starting from your 7th house. You may get some disturbing result into your marriage related matter. And if you get married till Ketu is starting from the 7th house, then you may have to face differentiation of opinion with your spouse a lot till the whole life, till you will be together. On the other hand, Rahu is starting from your first house into your ascendant in the sign of Aquarius. And one thing is important to know that Rahu is the co-ruler of Aquarius sign along with Saturn. So Rahu in its favorable position. So what is first house? First house, your personality, your overall aspects of life are seen from first house. Your journal health, how you will perform, how you will behave, how you will act regarding things, regarding certain time period of your life is represented by your first house. So Rahu will perform very well for your ascendant. You will have a lot of opportunity. Whatever you are doing, whatever you want to do, you will be having the courage to do that. Like if you are a job person, then you will excel into your job. Your fame will increase. If you somehow connected to fame, you will have the cleverness to achieve everything, whatever on what level you are right now, because Rahu is starting from your first house. On the other hand, Ketu will try to separate you. Ketu will try to drag you from your relationship, from your partnership, but excel you into your work related matter, whatever you are doing. To depend on yourself till the next 18 months, it will be good for you. Don't trust anyone blindly till Rahu Ketu transiting into your first seventh axis. So we can expect these results for all the Aquarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about Pisces ascendant. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Rahu is about to transit from your 12th house for the next 18 months in the sign of Aquarius, and Ketu is about to transit from your 6th house in the sign of Leo for the next 18 months. So first of all, we will talk about Ketu. What is Ketu? Ketu is isolation. Ketu is detachment. Ketu is a naturally malefic planet. Ketu somehow represent all the non-materialistic things. Materialistic things here means all the worldly thing is not represented by Ketu. Ketu will try to drag you towards the truth. Ketu will try to dig you, drag you in towards the right pathway and isolate you from other people, like from your bad circumstances or bad surroundings. What is sixth house? Sixth house is your enemies. You're against people, your court cases, your litigations, your arguments, your fights, your daily routine in context of work, your loans, your debt. So Ketu, beside the fact that Ketu is a naturally malefic planet and a sixth house is a naturally malefic house. So malefic always perform very well in the naturally malefic houses. So Ketu being present into your sixth house, first of all, Ketu will vanish your all the enemy, destroyed all your enemies. People who want to bad for you will get defeated and will destroyed. Till Ketu will starting from your sixth house. At least they will destroy it from your life, they will delete from your life somehow due to any reason. If you're dealing with some court case litigation argument, things will turn into your favor slowly but surely till Ketu is starting from your sixth house in the sign of Leo. And Leo signs represent authority. So you will have the authority over your enemy till Ketu is starting from your sixth house. If you're facing some differentiation, opposition from people previously, then this thing will definitely go away and they will feel defeated. If you are in debt right now, you will be able to pay your loans back, because on the other hand, Rahu is starting from your 12th house in the house of expenses, so you will expend something to pay your debt out and you will be free from your debt till the next 18th month. uh, Sixth house also represent your daily routine in context of work. So regarding your work related matter, you will also get stable result, because sixth house is a naturally malefic house and key to perform very well. At your workplace, if people want to create some issues for you, they will get defeated due to presence of Ketu into your sixth house. Because as we discussed previously many times, second, sixth, and 10th house always connected to your work and your earnings related matter. On the other hand, Rahu will transiting from your 12th house till the next 18 months. So what is Rahu? Rahu is foreign planet. Rahu is travel. Rahu is invention. Rahu is future. Rahu is technology. Rahu is electronics. Rahu give you immense ability to think. Rahu is the higher self of cleverness and intelligence. So into your 12th house, what is 12th house? 12th house is your higher thinking, your spiritual thinking, your isolation, your hospitalization, jail, asylum. Foreign places are represented by 12th house. Space, places where from where you are not aware are seen from 12th house. So foreign places like space are represented by 12th house. Scientific thinking, scientific inventions, writing a book, like higher thinking also represented by 12th house. So Rahu being starting from your 12th house, if you are somehow connected to spirituality, you will have immense power to accomplish anything into your spirituality related matter. Like you will have the sources to get the truth or regarding your spirituality related matter till Rahu starting from your 12th house. You will have a lot of opportunity to travel, especially from long distance travel till Ketu is starting. Rahu is starting from your 12th house, because 12th house is a foreign land and Rahu is a planet of travel, planet of foreign things. So Rahu being in its own favorable sign, in the sign of Aquarius, because Rahu is the co-ruler of Aquarius sign along with Saturn, will give you opportunity to settle into foreign land if you previously want to settle into foreign land, and you will have the travel opportunity. It is very beneficial position for all the writer directors who have who have involvement of imagination, higher thinking into your work, like writing a book, philosopher, director or book writer, etc., etc. They will have a lot of opportunity till the next 18 months to excel into your thinking ability. All the artists will perform, if all the Pisces ascendant artists will perform very well, and you will have the great ability to perform your art, whatever you are expert in, whatever God gifted you. You will be able to grasp all the control onto your ability due to presence of Rahu into your 12th house. Your expenses may increase because Ketu is starting from your 6th house, and on the opposite head Rahu in the sign of expenses and losses. So you will expand a lot, but you will get the revenue of that expansion because Rahu in its favorable condition. So things will turn into your favor because your enemy, people who want to damage your reputation or anything, like they anything want bad for you, they will get also the bad result of that thinking due to presence of Rahu Ketu into 12 6 axis. So we can expect these results for all the Pisces ascendant people. Our today's video Rahu Ketu transit May 2025 for all the ascendant ends here. I hope you will find this video helpful and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video beneficial, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.